Hey guys, let's start this video with some funny moments.
This practice is no common practice, but I know this is no common practice. Okay? I'm here with so have place for everything. Everything. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Maybe some of us are not. Yes, I know because our little ones' exams are approaching. See, it's very natural for parents to get stressed. But my friends, remember, this parental stress can adversely affect the child's performance. So for that, I am here with some amazing mom's hack to keep this pressure at bay. So without any further ado, let's start the video. And if you haven't done already, kindly go subscribe, like, share and comment. It means a lot. So let's start the video. Tip number 1, make a current and main to-do list. Go through the syllabus, go through the date sheet, prioritize the work done, section the whole syllabus and distribute on the daily basis. Remember, keep it simple, otherwise it can frustrate the child as well. This practice will give clarity to the kids for becoming more productive and focused. Tip number 2, have place for everything and put everything in place. It sounds like common sense, but it is no commonly practiced. Organize his or her study area. Put all the study essential nearby for easy grab and go. Maybe all the books, notebooks, stationery items. Put all the loose paper in a magazine holder or a basket nearby. Use paper clips as bookmarks. Don't forget to put snacks and water. Dedicate a study area. If the place is dedicated for the study, brain start giving the signal to the body, yes, it's time for
Desired work done.
Tip number 3, put a binders or folder in a child's bag. See, these days means exam days. Lots of worksheets and assignments will be given in the class. So this will help them to keep organized and sorted. Tip number 4, most important thing, being there emotionally. See, in such kind of stress, childs need more comfort, more nurturing or understanding from their parents, which will help them to feel understood, confident and secure. So guys, make sure you should discuss the feeling. Listen to them. This will make them feel understood and known to the fact that this kind of anxiety or this kind of feeling they are going through are quite normal. Basically, support their confidence, provide positive feedback about their effort, encourage them to keep trying. Last but not the least, tip number 5, brainstorming. Take inputs from them for any problem solving scenario. Let's say, for example, ask them the question, what will they do if they do not know the answer to any question in the question paper? Like, I have done this practice with my child also. Answer I got from my child was, he told me that for a while he will leave that question and jump to the another question and finish it off his paper and will reconsider that question in last. So basically, brainstorm with them. This will give them a kind of clarity for any kind of problem solving. Adding on to this tip, I would also like to mention here, allow them to take movement breaks. Do some fun activity that time. So yeah, these are some little hacks which I am also practicing and getting the fruitful results as well. So with this note, I am signing off and shall see you in my another video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Lots and lots of love and peace to you guys. Bye friends.